most exciting part is the interclass competition where students showcase their talents and creativity.
Ang natatandaan ko lang lagi sa GA is, syempre minsan nagkakaroon ng inisan during preparation, pero pagdating sa actual performance, everybody moves as one.
The General Assembly is not just about entertainment, it's also about reminding the students that the idea is an organization that is supposed to promote all the relative values that enhance the capabilities of the students.
Bilib ako talaga sa mga estudyante pagdating sa ganitong activity. Kasi kinakalir talaga nila yung ganitong klaseng activities mula props, costume, hanggang dun sa performance nila. Kaya ito yung gustong-gusto ko.
Talagang pagsabi ng GA, lagi meron something na makaka-surprise. Ngayon ako as prof, as siguro judge. Lagi may bago, may revelation na klase or particular student. So hopefully lahat maging excited din sa GA. Talagang minabang niya lahat, even mga pari.
Ang pinaka-favorite ko na part ko sa GA, yung performance ng mga students. Kasi parang alam mo yun, wala naman silang bayad doon, pero all out sila na mag-perform.
I like how it presents a different side of our accountant that they want to and then it can also be creative and
yung favorite part ko yung kapag ka may nakakatawa ng performance. Sila ba kayo excellent students. So, General Assembly is maganda talaga yung General Assembly ng TV.
First time kong sumayaw talaga kasi napasayaw nila ako. First time kong sumayaw sa college life. Pero enjoy naman kasi sobrang lahat talaga. Lahat ang hindi sumasayaw, napasayaw. Lahat ang hindi umahabos, napahabos. So ayun, masaya naman total year ng GA namin.
Ng JP, actually, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-highlight ng college life ko, especially nung third year. Medyo na-reshuffle kami ng third year, just like in third years na-reshuffle kayo. Binigyan kami ng chance para mag-bond as a class. So yun yung actually nag-bond sa amin.
General Assembly ng GP, this is the most amazing activity ng mga accounting. And believe me, this is full of surprises, excitement. Sure ako doon, mag-enjoy dito doon. One of the best parts ng General Assembly ng GP, pinakagusto ko, and the students, third year and fourth year, they showcase yung mga talent and skills with full of creativity. Believe me, mag-enjoy dito. So much for it.
Kami ang mga Zaido!
The best GA ng Japan.